Hello, this is Miss Foot Fixer. If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.
What's my name? I forgot my name. My name is Miss Foot Fixer or Marion. Hope you guys are well. We have this ingrown toenail that I've been seeing for many years. I think 2-3 years. And what we're going to do today is we're going to remove it for good now. We tried to fix, well, it was infected before, then we removed it. Then it took a while for it to grow out to be really good. And the nail was so good that it was too big for the toe. Then now he's on vacation and it's the time that we're going to remove it. So I just put a tourniquet on just to stop the bleeding. And we put some local anesthetic. close in, and then we'll have a nice kind of straight nail. So the nail was digging into here every so often. As the nail grew, it would dig into here, and our patient would feel it, and that's when he knew he had to come in to the clinic. So like I said, hopefully it will just close like that, and then would even realize that he had nail surgery. So obviously with any nail surgery, there is an 8% chance of regrowth. I've got lower than that. Not like I'm better or anything like that, it's just my stats are a bit lower. But even I have regrowth, okay? So it's just sometimes the patient's toe doesn't take the phenol, or sometimes it's just a very stubborn ingrown toenail, or the patient has magical toes and just likes to grow nail. It's just sometimes it's just some of those things. So that's why we need to tell all our patients about the risk. And in regards to how many minutes you put phenol, it depends on who does it. Some people do it for 3 minutes. You can put it, for longer than that. Especially if you have a regrowth of nail, you put it longer. It causes more destructive tissue, but it works. It can potentially work better. The Hydra or the chlorhexidine, some people don't put it, and some people put it. I'm going to put a little bit in